MOLLY-MAE Hague has given a rare look inside her huge rented home after her £1.3 million flat was ransacked. The 22-year-old influencer was left devastated in October when thieves broke in and stole designer goods, laptops and shoes worth £800,000. 4. MOLLY-MAE Hague has given fans a sneak peek inside her luxury rental property. 4. The Love Island star vowed to keep snaps of her home off social media after her $800K burglary. Despite telling fans that she was worried to post images of her house, the Love Island star has given her followers another glimpse inside her property. Taking to her YouTube, Molly shared a video from her new living space that boasts lush grey carpets and a giant velvet sofa with piles of matching cushions. A Buddha statue and a brass lamp can be seen in front of their huge windows, which allow plenty of light. And other tasteful sculptures sit on mahogany shelves beside the couple's media unit, where a large TV is mounted on the wall. Molly and Tommy have since moved out to a mystery location following the theft, and she's hinted that they've bought their dream home. Now in a new YouTube video, the 22-year-old answered fan questions and opened up about how the theft has 100% changed her spending habits. Molly said, "It's something I've been thinking a lot of recently, and the answer to that question is a 100% yes. My views couldn't have changed any more if they tried. Obviously having nice things can literally mean anything, but in regards to the jewelry I used to buy, watches, nice bags, really expensive clothes and stuff, I think most definitely the interest for me has disappeared. Since the robbery," she continued. "Why would I ever want to own something that would compromise mine and Tommy's safety? It's absolutely not worth it in my eyes, and my opinion has definitely changed. In my eyes, the only watch I need at the moment I'm not even joking, is my Apple Watch," she added before holding up her £179 watch. Despite her sentiments about not spending on really expensive clothes, Molly was wearing a long-sleeved turtleneck bodysuit from American designer Alexander Wang, which retails online from £285, in the video. Yesterday, The Sun reported that Molly has raked in almost £1 million in a year, just through her tanning range. The former Love Island star's company, Filter by MOLLY-MAE, made a huge £902,000 between 2020 and 2021 after fans snapped up her self-tan products. According to accounts, Filter by MOLLY-MAE reported a first trading profit at £289,595, with £902,674 in assets offset by bills at £613,674, taking her annual corporate earnings to a cool £1.8 million. Which means that Molly's made her first beauty-based £1 million, to add to her huge bank balance. Last year, the YouTube star, who dates boxer Tommy Fury, landed a record-breaking 7-figure deal to become the CEO of Pretty Little Thing. She gets paid an eye-watering 6-figure salary every month from the fashion brand, and also landed another huge deal with Beauty Works last month. But she's not shy about splashing her hard-earned cash, buying designer clothes, bags and a £32,000 Range Rover. And earlier this week, she posed in Tom Ford trousers and with a classic Chanel quilted bag, an outfit worth £7,000. She's also splashed out on £1,350 Givenchy boots, a £3,250 Chanel handbag and regularly wears £1,250 Prada boots. The reality star came under fire in January for tone-deaf comments she made about her success after insisting we all have the same 24 hours in the day. 4. The influencer showed off her idyllic living room complete with a giant projection screen. 4. Molly-Mae said she hinted that she and Tommy Fury have bought their dream home credit, Instagram.